Okay, so this is the layout for navigating the bill of materials model, and currently we've got an empty database, so I'll just show you that. Yeah, there's our core component table, which is empty at the minute. So if I go to refine, I'm going to create a new project and I'm going to import this file. And we ignore the first 10 lines because it's an old KB Plus file. That all looks good, so create project. There we go. Okay, so we've created a project and I go GoKB, check in project for the first time, and there we go, give it a name. So this has been checked in now, but there are some things wrong with it, some columns that need to be modified before we can import it, so this is part of the validation rules. I'm going to check it out so I can fix those. Okay, and the two things I need to fix with this file are platform name needs to be platform host name, and platform title URL there we go, host URL. So these are rules that should be auto-suggested, but there's nothing in my rule base right now because this is the first file I've ingested. So I've made the two changes that I need, and then I go back to the front page, I click check-in. Now this is a conversation David and I have been having about when you check something in, if it's going to take a while to process, we want it to come back immediately and say in progress, because if I switch to this screen, you'll see this is actually processing each of the titles. So this is basically generating the tip rows, and if I go to the database, I can run this query and you'll see how things have been created. So whilst that's still running, we can look at the state of things. If we search the components table, which is everything, organizations, packages, so basically the core table in our bill of materials model, you'll see all the different objects there. So I need to add pagination and search results to this page, but at least it's letting you navigate the structure. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause whilst it finishes processing that file, because it takes a few minutes, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so that's loaded. It's not been loading all this time. I've been and got a cup of coffee. So yeah, there we go. And if we go back here now, let's reload this. So we've got our package that's been created. It's been named Project 1 because it's the first project we checked in, and I've defaulted the name to our project. Click on show there. This takes a while because there are obviously quite a few titles in this package now, but you can see we've got the starting information. I've got to put in the start dates and volumes and issues, but that's the title data. So it's coming together, and this is our kind of generic interface for navigating the bill of materials. So yeah, I think we're coming together. That's where we're at.